Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with the Sc300 doing the promised video cleaning the engine bay, because as you guys can see right now the exterior is pretty clean all the way around except for like a couple spots, but that's not, I can't really clean that. I have to get a replacement. So yeah, the exterior is pretty clean. If you guys noticed in the last video, we did get a front badge, and that's on right now. I didn't make a video on that just because it was just that. I didn't want to make a video just on that. So yeah, let's get right into this. I'm gonna get in the car, pop the hood, then we're gonna go. So as you guys can see, it's not super dirty right now, besides like these leaves, because I somewhat cleaned that, and I somewhat cleaned all this stuff, but not really deep cleaned. So that's what this is for today. We're going to be getting like everything out, and well, obviously not that and this, because that's like fixed. We're going to have to get a new radiator and a new shroud fan, but like all this stuff going to be cleaned out. This type of stuff, this is, the intake is going to be cleaned up a little bit. All this should get cleaned off. So we have this cleaner, Griot's engine cleaner, in a spray bottle. I have a microfiber. Plane right now going over. So I have a microfiber and a like little brush I'm going to be using inside the engine to clean everything up after I spray it. So we have this, and we have this microfiber that I'm going to be using. So first, let's spray everything off with the spray. Let me see what it says to do. It says, engine can be warm, should not be hot. Cover exposed electrical connections, carburetor, any other areas that you don't want to get wet. Spray engine cleaner on and around dirty, oily areas. Let stand for a few minutes. Agitate heavily soiled areas with a brush and rinse off with clean water after your engine is clean to restore original shine, luster with Griot's engine bay dressing. Right, that's what the, I don't even know, useful directions. It says to spray everything off, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we have the whole engine soaking for a minute, as you guys can see. All soaking wet basically. Some of the stuff's covered up. So we're going to let it sit for a few minutes. While we're doing that, I'm going to be cleaning all these leaves out of the top area. And once we're done with that, I'll get you guys back in here on the tripod. And then we'll be wiping everything off, brushing everything off. Alright, so we're going to start with the brush on some like rough spots, and then we'll clean it up with this microfiber. Alright, so I just finished up the final like spraying in the engine bay. I'm gonna go try to find some like water in a spray bottle so I can spray all that stuff off in the hard to reach spots. But that's gonna basically wrap this video up. I'll show you guys the final product and me spraying off everything, and then we'll get a review of the product, and it's gonna be it for this video. Alrighty, so I couldn't find any water in a spray bottle, so I just got a normal water bottle, poked a hole in the top, and that should do to clean everything off. So yeah, let's go. So just finished up spraying the water and wiping everything off finally. Some of the hard to reach spots, like right down in here, still have a little bit of water. I don't know if you can see that, but everything else is pretty much dried off, cleaned super easily. There's only one spot that I can kind of see that is just like a little bit of dirt that wouldn't come off, and that's that right there. But for a 26-year-old engine sitting in this car, I think it came out pretty clean. I'll leave a good review to this product. I'm not sponsored. Well, obviously not sponsored, but Griot's Garage engine bay cleaner. If you guys ever see this video, I hope we can work out something. So I'll get some close-ups of the engine, all the clean stuff, and then that's gonna end out this video. For not being able to take out the whole engine and clean everything, I think this is the way to go for the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new, and we're gonna have some new surprises coming to the channel, some exterior stuff, maybe some big modifications. We'll see. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below any ideas you have for me to add to the channel, or any video ideas you'd like to see. So that's going to end out this video, and peace.